Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support, and if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm back out here again with one of my classic quads. In the other video, I was talking about how my JJ1000 is not my favorite quad of all time. It's definitely one of my favorites of all times. There's three others that I think it's a three-way tie with, and this happens to be one of them. This is the DM003, I think it is, and this thing flies awesome. It appears to be black, but the whole body is transparent, so light can shine through here. And it's a great night flyer because the lights glow right through the arms, even though it's black. Usually black micros are not good night flyers, and so this one is the exception. It has a really nice yaw rate. It's flying on a Huying Toys protocol. I think something is reversed on it though. I can't remember what exactly it is now though. And this is one of the few micros that I have that I didn't convert to the new style of battery packs. So I still use these classic micro low-C connection packs here, and I guess they serve their purpose for their time. They're definitely not better than the new style stick batteries, but I really don't see how I can add that to this one here without making it look completely messed up. So in other words, I'm trying to preserve the awesome look of this thing. So without further ado, let's get this guy in the air. Okay, so always some loud cars driving around. So this thing actually doesn't have anything reversed on the Huying protocol. I thought it was, but I'm on the normal Huying Toys protocol and it's flying great. Check it out. Really smooth flyer. Let's look at the yaw rate on this guy. Super awesome yaw rate. Super awesome funnels. And so the funnels on this are actually better than the JJRC JJ1000. They really have a different feel to the way they fly. This one feels a little more loose than the JJRC JJ1000. And this one does have a little more pitch. The JJ1000 does better flips, I think. Let's see. Well, not too much better. They're comparable in the way they flip. The lighting on the JJRC is second to none. So this one is an awesome night flyer, but the JJRC is a better night flyer. That whole thing dang near lights up. Oh man, I'm doing tree slaloming. And I'm pretty sure you guys probably can't see that, so I'm going to keep it over here because it's black. Hopefully you guys can see it. Now it does manual flips better than the JJRC. It flips over faster when you do manual flips. Hopefully you guys can see it when it's doing manual flips. I think I can pull off maybe a double manual flip with this guy. So let's see if I can. Take it up. Yep. Double manual flip. Let's try it again. Easy peasy with this thing. It does have CG022 props on it though. I think it came with those type of props, but I think they broke and I ended up having to swap them out. These, one of them is mixed match, one of them is off-white, and the other one is sort of pure white. You can see this thing is an awesome flyer. Hopefully you can see it. I can see it, but I know how these cameras act with black, with trees. Hopefully against the grass you can see it up close. Awesome funnels it has. Okay, it's getting a little weak on me, and I can't really see the lights to make out if it's dying or not, so I'm gonna fly it a little bit more, do a couple speed passes for y'all. Then we're gonna bring it back and bring it in. Let's bring it in. Give you guys a close-up look of it. Check it out. Awesome. And I fumbled it. And so this is the DM003 on the Huing Toys protocol. Throwback Thursday. Thanks for watching.